Hello, my name is Miss Turner, and today I'll be teaching you about how to use an online journal to write to home. The standards we will be using today come from the Common Core State Standards for Literacy for 2nd grade. The first one is to write narratives in a way that which they recount a well-elaborated event or a short sequence of events, including details to describe actions, thoughts, and feelings, using temporal words to signal event order and provide a sense of closure. The second standard we'll be using today also comes from Common Core, and it is with guidance and support from adults. Use a variety of digital tools to produce and publish writing, including in collaboration with peers. So these two standards will also correspond to a technology standard, and this technology standard says students use technology to seek feedback that informs and improves their practice to demonstrate their learning in a variety of ways. So we will be using all three of these standards in today's lesson. So to start, what is an online journal? An online journal is a technology that allows you to write online and share it with others. Today we'll be learning about the website called Penzu. Penzu is a website where you can go online and you can write and share it with others. So we have been learning about journals in the last few classes. We've been learning about what it means to be the author and also what it means to be a recipient of a writing. We also learned about publishing and what that looks like with writing. As I mentioned, Penzu is a website that allows you to create journal entries online and share them with others. So today we'll be using this website to create journal entries each week for our parents. So we're starting this lesson today, but we will actually be doing these journal entries every single week so that our parents will know what's happening at school so we can share our thoughts and feelings with them. So what does this journal entry need to include? Well, first it needs to include the date, so you know what day you wrote the journal entry. So you're going to include that at the very top of your paper. And then you're going to include the time. So it can be any time of day. We will be doing this activity usually around 12 o'clock, but it's good to put the time in there just so you remember when you wrote it. The third thing is you need to put the name of the recipient. So in this case, it's going to be the name of your mom or your dad. After this, you're going to accurately describe an activity that you learned in school. So, for instance, you can say, well, today I learned how to rhyme, and then you explain how you learned to rhyme, and if you learned something or if you already knew it. And then the fifth thing you're going to put in the journal entry is a sentence about why you appreciate this recipient. So like in this case, it's going to be your mom and dad. So you're going to write a sentence about why you really appreciate your mom and dad. And this can be about anything because our mom and dads do so much for us. So you can say anything you'd like in this sentence about how much you love them. And lastly, you're going to end with the name of the student, which is you. So you're going to end with your name so you know who wrote it so it doesn't get lost in the mix of other people's journal entries. So the next thing we're going to do is practice. So this is a journal entry. It's by Sarah, and it says, "Hi Mom, today is Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. It is 12 in the afternoon and my class just got back from lunch. Today we learned about rhymes and I told the class I already knew about rhyming because of the game we played together. Today I want to tell you that I like the way that you make me lunch each morning. You always pack my favorite snacks. Love you, Mom. Love, Sarah." So this is a really nice journal entry. So based on our rubric, do they have everything that's included? So it looks like up here they have the date, and also right here they wrote the date. So not only is it in the journal, but she also wrote it in the journal, which is very important. She also says the time, so it's 12 in the afternoon. Not only that, but she said she just got back from lunch. So there are two signals to what time it is. And then she said today we learned about rhymes. So that is the activity that they did in the day. Now, the only thing that I would put there is maybe she could add a little bit more to that sentence. What did they learn about rhymes? How did they learn it? What activity did they do? So this may be something to include right in this section. And then it says the last sentence right here is, today I want to tell you that I like the way you make me lunch each morning. So this is a way to tell your mom or dad how much you appreciate them. So this is a journal we're going to be doing, like I said, every single week. So now I'm going to have you practice. And after you're done practicing, you're going to share your journal entry with a peer right next to you. And you'll be using the checklist that we had right here. And you're going to be saying, yes, they have this, yes, they have this, or no, they don't. So a check would be for yes, and X would be for no. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And that will be all for tonight. Have a great day. Bye.